Can you deposit checks on Cash App? Well, first of all, to answer your questions, yes, you can deposit check on Cash App. The only problem, however, is that not all the account type might have this option available. So only some of you might be able to see the option to deposit checks. So for that, first, if you open up Cash App, you come to the Home tab. There you'll find the option called Checks that says Deposit with your phone, where you can follow the on-screen instructions to follow up with it. So right when you do that, you can tap on check, enter the check amount, take the front side and the back side picture of the check. Once done, tap on the Submit Check option, and based on it, the verification will be complete and the Cash App check will be deposited to your account. This way you will be able to find out whether or not you can deposit checks on Cash App. The answer is yes, you can. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.